Enter when bullish, exit while bearish. Keep in mind on this MACD slogan, it is much easier to use than the go and dead cross. Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Master. I'm Angie who love to share stock market trading idea. Please click subscribe, then you can repeatedly learn. If you have any question in this video, you may comment as below. I will explain further to you later on. Today's video is very informative. Please make sure you finish view it. According to previous experience, go cross is enter, dead cross is exit. Second method is there are operate enter above zero axis, operate exit below zero axis. Next is about the divergence. Why we know so much on this but still lost money? MACD is a stable indicator, but the problem is the lagging signal appears. Then how can we improve our win rate? Today, I bring you everyone here to find it out the truth. Every technical indicator had both advantages and disadvantages. Today, we just focus into few points. It's about the zero signal. The first thing to talk about is the red column and the green column. We only go enter in the participation while the histogram in the bullish zone. We operate long in another way. If the histogram in the bearish zone, then we operate the shorts. To improve accuracy, we are just operate while the bullish histogram in the growing stage. There is also the reduction in the bullish histogram, but in this scenario you can notice that the uptrending momentum already start turn weaker. It is considered as a holding zone but not the enter zone anymore. It's very easy to understand. Let's we look into this area. When the histogram rising, the stock price is rise stronger and stronger. Then this area the histogram start turn falling. At this moment, the stock price fall into a correction period. When the histogram bullish zone start to turn into lower, then it's the time that we should start leaving. Now we draw a vertical line from the peak of the histogram. The left hand side is suitable for long and the right hand side is suitable for short the market. This vertical line is we so-called zero signal. Next, we talk about combination of candlestick, moving average MA and MACD. Requirement 1. Candlestick must above MA5. Requirement 2. Candlestick must in a bullish. Requirement 3. MACD histogram increasing. Then how to operate? We find the long enter point while the histogram increasing. As long as the volume increases, we will continue to hold position. Don't exit. When the bullish histogram decreases on the first round, the stock goes into a correction period. During this period, we can continue to hold and monitor the next direction. But if the histogram breaks the zero axis and goes into the bearish zone, it's time to exit. If the histogram falls and then rises back again, we have to monitor the next peak position. If it's much higher than the previous peak, it's still good to hold on to the fall. But if the peak is much lower than the previous peak, it's much better to exit when the histogram start to turn down. Just using this simple method is good enough to make big and consistent profit to you, and this is suitable to everyone, simple and easy and profit generating. Plan your trading plan included this method repeatedly, practical, and do more backtest study. If you like the method I share, please click a like on this video for a support. Your support is the motivation I do more sharing here. Do not forget to subscribe this channel before end. We will see you again in the next video. Bye.